Good morning, ma'am. Any good editorials to read today?
Yes, absolutely. There's a very important editorial in the Hindu's editorial section today. So come, let's have a look.
Now, the editorial is transforming a waste-ridden urban India. India's cities are growing very fast. More people is equal to more houses, more shops, more construction, and a lot more waste also. And right now, most Indian cities follow a linear system. Like use things, throw them away, dump them in landfills. This is the major problem because landfills are overflowing. Plastic and construction waste are everywhere, and waste creates pollution, health problems, and climate change. The editorial says India must move to circular economy, which means reduce waste, reduce materials, recycle properly, and even recover energy from waste. Types of waste problems are include plastic waste, construction and demolition, and wet waste, which is the food waste. Okay, so which is the plastic waste is very hard to recycle, dangerous for health and environment. Construction and demolition waste is broken bricks, cement, debris dumped on roadside. Wet waste is food waste, often mixed with dry waste, making recycling very difficult. So what exactly should be done? So here it is mentioned that segregation at source, separate wet, dry plastic waste at home, composting food waste, recycling construction waste, strict rules on penalties for waste generators, and extended producer responsibility (EPR). Companies must take responsibility for waste they create. Waste to energy plants where suitable, and reuse wastewater instead of wasting fresh water. Now the challenges here, the hurdles before the circularity are poor coordination between government departments, weak implementation of laws, lack of awareness among citizens. Cities don't have enough infrastructure or trained experts. Now, what is the role of the citizens in all this? Citizens must stop being careless consumers and become partners in waste management. The first R is reduce. Okay, so this is important, but the most difficult one as well. So India must urgently shift from throw and forget to a circular sustainable waste management system to protect health, cities, and the climate. Now let us have a look at the 30th conference of the parties of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change (COP30) at Belém in November 2025. Host Brazil quite fittingly placed waste at the heart of the climate agenda. Sizable funds were committed to a new global initiative, No Organic Waste. Now, to cut methane emissions, the conference noted circularity as the way to inclusive growth, cleaner air, and healthier populations. The COP30 called upon cities to accelerate circularity initiatives where waste is recognized as a source, mission, life, lifestyle, and for environment, espoused by India at COP26. COP26 in 2021, Gas Glow in 2021, calling for deliberate utilization instead of mindless and destructive consumption, was strongly premised on India of circularity as well. Now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this article. So it is highly relevant in GS paper 2, which is governance and urban issues. Again, very important in GS paper 3, environment and economy. And for prelims also it is very important, and for mains also this article becomes very important.
If you want a deeper analysis of this editorial, please go watch our DNA video, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching.